Okay, day 11, maybe? Day 12? I don't know. Um, okay, let's go. Suppose that 0 is less than theta is less than pi over 2, and cosine of theta minus sine of theta equals 1/2. Then cosine of theta equals a plus square root b over c, where a, b, and c are positive integers, and b is not divisible by the square of any prime number. So that just means b is not divisible by the square of any prime number. Um, hmm. B is not divisible by the square of any prime number. Yeah, okay, that probably means something. It doesn't. I shouldn't look into it. Okay. First, with this, I believe what we should do is start off by squaring this entire thing, because cosine squared can get us stuff and sine squared can get us stuff. This, in this form, I don't think gets us really anything. So, yeah, square both sides. Cosine squared theta minus 2 sine theta cosine theta plus sine squared theta is equal to, so that squared is 1/4. So it's 1 minus 2 sine cosine theta equals 1/4. Um, so then you could add this thing, subtract this thing, so we get 3 over 4, and then divide by 2. So 3 over 8 equals sine theta cosine theta. How do I do this? I'm thinking this is a special form. I feel like I've seen this before. It might be double angle identity. No, double angle identity of tangent is like a fraction. It's not that. Is it 1 minus 2 sine cosine? Is it, I might just, 1 minus 2 sine theta cosine theta. Oh, I don't know if I explained this, but sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So then I just simplify it to this. Sine theta. 1 minus 2 sine theta cosine theta. Plus that minus that, so it's 3 over 4 equals that, divided by that equals 3 over 8 equals sine theta cosine theta. Um, huh. What do I do now? Then cosine theta is equal to, um, hmm. I only need to find cosine theta. I don't need to find theta. Maybe I need to find theta, plug it into cosine. But I don't think so. I mean, I could get here 3 over 8 sine theta is equal to cosine theta. But that doesn't really get me anywhere. 3 over 8 sine theta equals cosine theta, so then I just have... Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Maybe I went about this the wrong way. Maybe I should change... I'll go a different approach. I'll just try over here. So cosine theta is equal to 1/2 plus sine theta. Sine theta. Maybe now I square it. Because then that'll give me 1/4 plus sine theta plus sine squared theta. Um, which would, huh. Wait, did I do the squaring right? I might have not done the squaring right. I do see, yeah, it should just be minus and plus. Yeah. Hmm. So what do I do now? I'll try squaring it. Cosine squared theta is equal to 1/4 plus sine theta plus sine squared theta. But then how do I get to what I had before where it was I just got 1 because it was whatever. Oh, maybe I have to divide by sine or something? Because I had sine times cosine. Oh, I think I have it. Minus sine squared theta is equal to 1/4 plus sine theta, and then I think this is double angle identity of cosine of 2 theta is equal to 1/4 plus sine theta, but this is practically where I was before. Where, yeah. So then cosine of 2 theta minus sine of theta is equal to 1/4. So, um, can I now set these equal to each other maybe? So then I'll just keep this the same. Minus 1/4 is equal to sine theta, and then here, so I have cosine of 2 theta minus 1/4 is equal to cosine of theta minus 1/2. And then add, I'll just get to one constant, add 1/4 on both sides is equal to cosine of theta plus 1/4 minus 1/4. And then I'll just assume this is minus. Oh, can I just go like, oh, I could just go like that. I forgot about that. Anyways, so then cosine of 2 theta is equal to cosine of theta minus 1/4. I feel like I'm so close. I feel like I'm so close. Maybe I should rearrange it to have them both on one side. So cosine of theta minus cosine of 2 theta is equal to 1/4. Um, and maybe I should plug something else in. Plug an inequality in for cosine. So if I were to plug this in, cosine of 2 theta is equal to 1/2 plus sine of theta. So cosine of 2 theta is equal to sine of theta plus 1/4. I'm not getting anywhere. I am not getting anywhere. Cosine of theta is equals a plus square root b over c. So this is complex. Cosine is normally equal to like, what is it equal to? It's equal to 1, it's equal to root 3 over 2, it's equal to root 2 over 2, it's equal to 1 over 2, it's equal to 0. But here, this is something plus something, so that's likely 1/2 plus square root 2 over 2, or this plus that, I'd say. But how would I get cosine is equal to that? That's my question. That is my question. Maybe this is secant double angle or cosecant double? Something like that, maybe. Um, because sine theta cosine theta is. Wait a second. So if I have sine of a plus b is equal to sine of A cosine of B plus sine of B cosine of A. Can I apply that here? No, because these are the same angle. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So if I put the same angle in here, it's equal to sine of theta cosine theta plus sine theta cosine theta, so it's equal to 2 sine cosine. So that is sine double angle identity. So it's 1 minus 2 sine, or sine of 2 theta is equal to, what is it? It's equal to, it's equal to 1/4. So add this on both sides, subtract, so 3 over 4 is equal to sine of 2 theta. But where does sine of theta equal 3 over 4? That's my question. It's something squared. I know that it's something squared. Something squared. It's this squared. But if it's that squared, how do I get from that? Because I squared the equation. Do I have to take the square root of the equation? I don't think so. Because I said that's equal to that. That's squared. Shoot. If I just take the square root of both sides, it's square root 3 over 2 is equal to the square root of sine of 2 theta. Ah, I'm so close. I am so close. I have one. One half inverse sine of 3 over 4. I don't know inverse sine of 3 over 4. I need to redo the. I'll redo that. I'll just write C and S. C minus S is equal to 1/2. So C squared minus 2CS plus S squared is equal to 1/4. 1 minus 2CS is equal to 1/4. So 1 minus sine of, I'll just write sine double angle identity, sine of 2 theta is equal to 4. 1 is equal to 4, 1/4, plus sine of double angle. So 1/3, 3 over 4, 3 over 4. Ah, I don't know. Let's just think cosine of theta, it's in between 0 and pi over 2. So between 0 and pi over 2, cosine goes through this, sine goes through this. So that means that cosine must be, oh, sine goes through something different. It goes from 0. It goes, do I know anything about the positive? Yeah, it goes through 0. It goes through, where does it go? It goes, so 0, 1/2. Root 2 over 2, root 3 over 2, and 0, and 1. So it does not go negative, so these are both positive. So it means cosine minus sine. Cosine must be greater than sine, so it must be up here. So it's really between 0 and pi over 4. And it must be greater than sine by 1/2. So if it's greater than sine by 1/2, yeah, I don't know. It's not even greater than sine by 1/2 here. It's greater than sine by 1 minus, I don't know. Here it's greater than sine by 1, here it's not greater than, so it's actually between 0 and pi over 3, I believe. Pi over 4, pi over 2, pi over 3. Yeah, that's what I'd say. Um, So if it's between 0 and pi over 3, then it's maybe pi over 6. I don't know what pi over 6, what anything of pi over 6 is equal to. I don't know. Um, let's draw a circle. Here is pi over 4. Here is pi over 2. Here's 0. Here is... What do I need? Here is pi over 3. Here's pi over 3. Here's pi over 4. Or pi over 6. Pi over 6. Pi over 6. Pi over 6. Yeah. What if can I replace sine with cosine somehow? Maybe I take the double angle identity of sine of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine theta cosine theta. And I just rearrange it for cosine, so sine of 2 theta sine of 2 theta over 1 minus 2 sine theta equals cosine of theta. I'm just re-looking over my work to see if I got any new ideas, because right now my brain is not working very well. I don't know. I don't know. We all know, we just know that 3 over 4 equals sine of 2 theta. So darn close. 3 over 8 is equal to sine theta times cosine of theta. We get two values. Well, if it's over 2, which most of them are, then it'd be over 4. So, I think this is weird. It can't be both the same value. Cosine and sine do not equal each other. Because it'd be pi over square root 2 over 2, square root 2 over 2 is equal to 1 half when 1 half 1 squared, yeah, which is not that. So, yeah. Yeah, I got nothing. Oh, it's 1 minus cosine of 2 theta. I think that's it. 1 minus sine of 2 theta equals equal to cosine of theta, because 1 minus sine, it's sine squared, that's not cosine. Darn. That's not correct. Is 1 minus sine, is anything minus anything equal to anything? Is, 1 minus... Okay, I've spent too long on this problem. I wouldn't have been able to solve it anyways. Let's check the answer. Solutions. I did not. Oh, wait, let's guess one. I'm gonna say 10. It's 12. Okay, let's see. Cosine minus 1 half equals sine, which yields, when squared, it yields cosine squared minus cosine plus 1/4 equals sine squared. 1 minus cosine squared, or 2 cosine squared minus, therefore, what? What? Squaring both sides of this is equal to, or Oh, it's a quadratic, and you get a quadratic, and you have to solve for a quadratic. Wow, that is horrible. Okay. Um, yeah. Yeah, okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.